Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean the grout on your ceramic tile floors. So cleaning grout like this can be a pretty tough job, and in particular, if it's a lighter colored grout, like a white grout like this, you can get buildup of dirt and debris that can change the color of it. So scrubbing it and cleaning it using a really good strong cleaner and either a stiff brush like this that's a stripping brush with nylon bristles, or a brush on the end of a cordless drill, my preferred method, will make quick work of it and make it look a lot better. So I'm using a spray cleaner that is a degreaser and a cleaner. And as with any cleaner, the whole idea is that you want to spray it on and then you want to give it a little bit of time. This is ceramic tile. If you have stone tile, you want to be careful that the cleaner that you use is allowed to be sprayed onto a natural stone. Ceramic tile is pretty forgiving, so you can use just about any cleaner on there. But again, read the bottle and make sure that you're using the right one. So you can go at it by hand with this scrub brush here, and this will be a good workout for you. Depending on the size of the floor, this may be your kind of preferred method of scrubbing it in, get that cleaner in there, then let that sit for a little bit so that the cleaner has a chance to loosen up any dirt or debris. Larger floors, or you want to just make life a lot easier, you put one of these brushes on the end of a cordless drill and let the drill itself do all the scrubbing. Take your time, work in small areas as you're doing this. And then I have a little paper towel here with some water on there to kind of wipe up what I just did. And if you allow the cleaner to do its job and you use a scrub brush, you can bring that grout back to life. And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.